I want to thank God for healing in my life. It all started sometime last week. Started normal light hiccups. All of a sudden the thing started progressing, and it got so bad I had to be rushed to hospital via the ambulance at midnight. I spent 2 nights in hospital. They ran all sorts of tests, 3 ECGs, 1 full blood count and tests, 1 chest x-ray. All results came back to nothing because they still couldn't see anything wrong. All this while, the hiccups had increased to in fact, I was so restless, no eating, no sleeping, no lying down for more than 48 hours. It was so bad, Pastor Jerry. I was discharged, still with the hiccups. I came back home with it. And when we got back, me and my wife spoke and we were like, if the hospitals cannot treat it, then Jesus can, and Jesus will. So Thursday morning, we waited for the prayers on fire altar to start kick off. We were following, praying with others and saying amen to the prayers. Then 1 hour, 19 minutes into the prayers, next thing I heard was unstoppable hiccups, be reversed.
Unstoppable hiccup, unstoppable hiccup, unstoppable hiccup. If you are the one putting on the live stream today, if you will not give back your testimony, I announce, let it be reversed.
Oh my God, Pastor Jerry, I've been on this altar for more than 2 years, and I've never heard you call unstoppable hiccups before, never. And as soon as you did that, my hiccups ceased. It ceased, Pastor Jerry. Not 1 minute later, not 2 minutes later. It ceased immediately. I want to use this medium to thank you and thank God for healing in my life. Indeed, what God cannot do does not exist. Pastor Jerry, God bless you. We thank God for using you to heal diseases, to heal diseases. In fact, the people have been getting their free surgeries from this ministry. Thank you, Pastor Jerry, for all you do. May the oil on your head never run dry. We are looking forward to the UK conference.